In this video, we're going to walk you through how to set up and customize variation swatches using ShopEngine for your WooCommerce store. Starting from your WordPress dashboard, head over to ShopEngine, then go to Modules, find Swatches and click on the Settings icon. Toggle the switch to turn it on. If you'd like, you can also enable the option to show a color swatch on loop products. Once you're done, make sure to save the changes. Next, go to Products under WooCommerce, then navigate to Attributes. Give your attribute a name, choose the type ShopEngine color, and set custom ordering as the default sort order. Click the Add Attribute button to save it. After that, click on Configure Terms. Here, you can add a color name, and optionally set a slug and description. Pick your color from the palette and click Add New Color. You can repeat this step to add as many colors as you'd like. Now, go back to the Attributes section and let's add size as another attribute. Select ShopEngine label as the type, choose Custom Ordering, and then click Add Attribute. In the Configure Terms section, type a size name. Again, you can set a slug and description if needed. Choose a ShopEngine label, such as S, and click Add New Size. Continue this process to add more sizes. Once that's done, return to Attributes again and add Sleeve as an attribute. Set the type to ShopEngine image, choose Custom Ordering, and then click Add Attribute. Go into Configure Terms, type a sleeve name. In this example, let's use Black Full Sleeve. You can also set the slug and description here. Upload a suitable image and click Add New Sleeve. Add more sleeve options if necessary. Now it's time to link these attributes to a product. Go to All Products, find your product, and click on Edit. Scroll down to the Product Data section and change the product type to Variable Product. Under the Attributes tab, use the Add New option to select color. Add the colors you created earlier. Do the same for size and sleeve, then save the attributes. Next, switch to the Variations tab. You can either click Generate Variations to create all combinations automatically, or choose to add them manually. For this tutorial, we'll add them manually. Pick a color, size, and sleeve, then click the Edit icon on the right. Set the sleeve's image, assign an SKU, and check the Manage Stock option if you need inventory control. Enter a regular price, a sale price, and the stock quantity. If you want to allow back orders, select the appropriate setting. You can also define a low stock threshold, set dimensions if needed, and make sure the shipping class is set to Same as Parent. Once you're finished, click Save Changes. Repeat these steps for each variation you want to include. Once you've set them all up, scroll up and click the Update button in the top right corner to save everything. To display the variation swatches on your product page, open the page in the Elementor editor. Search for the Add to Cart widget from ShopEngine, then drag and drop it onto your page. Go to the Style tab and expand the Variation Swatches section. Here, you'll find various customization options so you can style the cart just the way you like. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, click Publish. And that's it. Now you can view your product page and see all the variation swatches you've added in action. Thanks for watching.